Hi everyone, welcome to Cambridge Clinical. Today we'll be studying surface area and volume. To begin, pause the video here to practice this question, and when you're ready press play to resume. To calculate the surface area of an object, you typically add the areas of all individual faces that make up the object. Let's test out this concept with this practice question. Pause the video here, and when you're ready, press play to resume. Alright, so Marcia needs to wrap a gift box, and we're told its dimensions are 2 inches by 1.8 inches by 4.4 inches. The question is asking how much money she will spend if wrapping paper costs 20p per square inch. To figure this out, we need to calculate the surface area of the box first. Since it's a rectangular box, it has 3 pairs of identical faces. So, we can use the formula surface area equals to 2 times the sum of the areas of the 3 different faces. That's written as A plus B plus C multiplied by 2. Let's break that down. A is the top and bottom side. So 2 inches times 1.8 inches gives us 3.6 square inches. B is the 2 sides, which is 1.8 times 4.4, and that gives us 7.92 square inches. And finally, C is the front and back sides, which is 2 inches times 4.4 inches, and that gives us 8.8 square inches. When we add those up, 3.6 plus 8.8 plus 7.92 gives us 20.32 square inches. Multiply that by 2 to get the surface area, and we get 40.64 square inches. Now, we multiply that by the cost per square inch, which is 20p. So 40.64 times 0.2 gives us £8 and 13p. So the final answer is A. Volume is the amount of space inside a 3D shape. The formula for volume of a cube is the side A to the power of 3, A cubed. The volume of a cylinder is calculated by multiplying pi by the radius squared by the height. And the volume of a sphere is found by multiplying 4 over 3 by pi and by radius squared. Remember, these formulas will be given to you in the exam, but in order to save time, it's in your best interest to remember them. To practice this concept, pause the video and attempt this question, and when you're ready, press play to resume. Alright, let's solve this step by step. We've been given a cylinder with radius 3.5 centimeters and a height of 15 centimeters. Fluid is being poured in at a rate of 250 cubic centimeters per hour, and we're told to use pi as 22 over 7. The first thing we need to do is to work out the total volume of the cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is pi times the radius squared times the height. When we plug in these values, volume equals to 22 over 7 times 3.5 squared times 15. This means that the volume of the cylinder is equal to 577.5 centimeters cubed. To find out how long it takes to fill the cylinder, we divide the total volume by the rate the fluid is being poured in, which is 250 cubic centimeters per hour. So, 577.5 divided by 250 equals to about 2.31 hours. We hope now that you're able to tackle surface area and volume questions. Ensure to practice often so these questions can become a walk in the park.